Hey fishing fans, this is Debbie Hansen for TakeMeFishing.org, and today we're going to talk about how to choose the best fishing rod for your fishing trips. Ultralight freshwater fishing rods are made for use with light lines between 4 to 8 pound test and smaller freshwater fish. These types of rods are ideal for species such as panfish or trout because they're made with lightweight graphite. The best fishing rod for panfish is going to have plenty of sensitivity so that you can feel even the slightest nibbles on your line. The best freshwater rod for bass fishing is going to depend on the type of lure or bait you plan on using. You can consider using a medium-heavy bait casting rod if you plan to fish with spinner baits or heavier jigs. If crankbaits are your lure of choice, consider a medium power rod that flexes a bit more when you set the hook. The best types of saltwater rods for inshore fishing are generally spinning rods that are about 7 feet in length and that have been made for distance casting. These types of rods are generally medium power rods made with either graphite or carbon fiber so that they offer greater sensitivity for feeling subtle bites from species like sheepshead or spotted sea trout. Offshore saltwater rods are made for pursuing big fish on heavy tackle. They're generally shorter rods between 5.5 to 6 feet that are heavy or extra heavy power. These rods give you more leverage when fighting larger fish out in open water. Offshore fishing rods are most often made from fiberglass, which is more durable than graphite. These types of rods are made in different models depending on whether or not you're trolling, vertical jigging, or deep dropping. You can learn more about which types of fishing gear and tackle to take on your upcoming fishing trips by heading over to the fishing gear and tackle section at TakeMeFishing.org.